Hey everyone, whether you're creating a backup, sharing your notes with someone else, or moving your content to another device, exporting your Microsoft OneNote notes is quick and easy. OneNote lets you save pages, sections, or entire notebooks in several formats depending on the version you're using. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to export notes from Microsoft OneNote step by step, so let's get started. First, open Microsoft OneNote and navigate to the page, section, or notebook you want to export. Decide whether you want to export a single page, an entire section, or a complete notebook before continuing. In the desktop version of OneNote, select File, then choose Export. Here you'll see options to export the current page, section, or notebook, depending on your version of OneNote. Next, select the format you want to use. Popular choices include PDF for sharing, OneNote package for backups, or Word documents if your version supports that option. Yeah, choose the format that works best for what you need. Select where you'd like to save the exported file. So, you can save it on your computer, an external drive, or a cloud storage service for easy access later. Once the export finishes, open the saved file to make sure everything looks correct. Check that your text, images, formatting, and attachments appear exactly as expected. Keep in mind that export options can vary between OneNote for Windows, OneNote for Mac, and the web version. Desktop versions generally provide the most complete export features, while web and mobile versions offer fewer export options. And that's how to export notes from Microsoft OneNote. Whether you're creating backups, sharing your work, or archiving important information, exporting your notes helps keep your data safe and accessible. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more OneNote tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.